So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have just this one question to answer on chemical combination. So guys, here in this video we'll focus on catalysts. So guys, in short, to stay till the end of this video, as have just this one question to answer. And guys, if you feel you want to answer this question before we provide the answer, you can always pause this video at any point to try out the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So guys, let's quickly go ahead and answer this question. Here the question says, which of the following is used as a catalyst in reforming reactions? So guys, we have option A, platinum, option B, zinc, C, copper, and D, sodium. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's platinum. Platinum is commonly used as a catalyst in reforming reaction. Actually, the reforming reaction is a process that involves reactions that require a catalyst to facilitate the conversion of hydrocarbons into high octane components. So guys, that's it about that, and option A here is the answer to this question, and that's platinum. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we want to also encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership in order to gain access to our premium information on JAMB updates. Guys, it will help you a lot in your preparation for JAMB. So guys, that will be all for this lesson. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.